Hi everyone, welcome back. You're watching Math with Anila. In today's class, let's discuss about the comparison of rational numbers. So how can we compare two rational numbers? That means how can we find which rational number is greater? So look at the question given 3 by 5 and 5 by 7. So we have two methods to compare the rational numbers. One is by taking the LCM of the numbers and making the denominators equal. And the second method is by cross multiplying. Okay, look at that. The first one is 3 by 5 and 5 by 7. So what we do first, we'll have to find the LCM of 5 and 7. And you know 5 and 7, the LCM will be uh, 35. LCM is 35. What we have to do? We have to make both the rational numbers with the same denominators. The first one will be 3 by 5 into 35 by 35, and that is equal to 21 by 35, and that is equal to 21 by 35. And the next number is 5 by 7 into 35 by 35, and that is equal to 25 by 35. So we know this 25 by 35 is 25 by 35 is greater than 21 by 35. And this implies, so what is 25 by 35? Which number was 25 by 35? That is 5 by 7. That is greater than the next number 21 by 35 is 3 by 5. This is how we can compare. Now let us see the next one. See here, by cross multiplication, how to find which rational number is greater whenever two rational numbers are given. Let's see that. So as per this rule or this method, if A by B and C by D are two rational numbers, the cross multiplication says that A into D, that is cross multiplying this way, A into D is greater than C into B or B into C, then A by B will be greater than C by D. This is what the rule says. Or in reverse, if A by D is lesser than C by B, then A by B will be lesser than C by D. This is what the rule. Let's consider the same question itself. First, 3 by 5 and 5 by 7. Whenever we cross multiply, what we get? We will get A into D is equal to 3 into 7, that is equal to 21. And then the next one is 5 into 5 is 25. That is B into C is 5 into 5, and that is equal to 25. So which is greater here? Here 25 is greater. That means B into C is greater. Here 21 is lesser than 25. So what is this 21? 21 is A into D. So here we can say that A into D is less than C into or B into C. That means A by B is less than C by D. This implies, what is A by B? A by B is this one. 3 by 5 is less than 5 by 7. So what did we get here? We got the same result. So here if you compare these two, you can say that you're getting the same result as in both the cases. Now look at these two questions, minus 7 by 2 and 5 by 2. The second one is minus 3 and 2 3 by 4. If you consider the first question, without solving itself, we can say that minus 7 by 2 is less than 5 by 2, since this is a negative number and this is a positive number. And as we know that every negative rational number is lesser than every positive rational number. In the same way, the second one also, minus 3 is less than 2 3 by 4, since this is a negative number and this is a positive number. Negative number is always less than a positive number. Consider this question and let's find out which is greater and which is smaller by the LCM method. So first we have to take the LCM of these two numbers, 8 and 6. The LCM is 24. When you multiply minus 7 by 8 with 24 by 24, we get this as minus 21 by 24. And the next number is 5 by minus 6 can be written as minus 5 by 6 into 24 by 24. That is equal to minus 20 by 24. So these are the two numbers we are getting here. As we know, minus 20 is greater than minus 21. When you draw the number line, we know that if you write minus 20 here, then the next number will be minus 21. And when the numbers are going towards the right side, it becomes greater. See, after 0, 1, 2, 3, towards right side it is increasing and towards left side it is decreasing. So minus 20 is greater than minus 21. We can say that 5 by minus 6 or minus 5 by 6 is minus 5 by 6 is greater than minus 7 by 8, or minus 7 by 8 is less than minus 5 by 6. This is how we can compare the rational number by using the LCM method. Look at these two rational numbers. Let's find the greater rational number by the cross multiplication. So we have to cross multiply in this way. Consider the first number as a by b and the second one as c by d. So as per the cross multiplication rule, if it is a into d is greater than b into c, we should say that a by b is greater than c by d. Let's find it out. So here a into d is 5 into 5. That is equal to 25. B into c is 8 into 3, that is 24. As we know, 24 is lesser than 25 or 25 is greater than 24. Here a into d is greater than b into c. We can say that a into d is the first one. A by b is greater than c by d. What is a by b? 5 by 8 is greater than 3 by 5. Now these two questions are for you. You can just solve it. The first one by the LCM method and the second one by the cross multiplication. That's all for today. Let's meet in the next class with more topics on the same. Thank you.